Hey, what's going on? William Savoy. Okay, Pat, I've watched a video that you made for me and I really like it. One extra thing that I'm looking for, basically, I said, obviously we'll have the white background and that the graphic guy will have the fill, like his silhouette will have a color. The only other thing I'm missing is like an intro. So let me explain what that is. So so basically, like if you go to my Instagram page, we schedule in Hootsuite. And the thing that I don't like is that, my girl that scheduled this, Carly, like when you schedule these, like you get this black whatever,
Hey guys, it's Coach
and I
Christy from
I
Savoy
hate it
Fitness.
so
And
bad.
today
So like when you look at it from this view, it's black, 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 black. Like I don't really like that. Um
it's a common
and I
misconception
think it's
that
unorganized. Like you should see it. It should be like this. Like you should be able to see the video, right? And with that being said, I'm gonna include this link. Austin Current. He kind of did a little bit of what we did, if you look. But if you look at how he has this one, two, three, four, five, he has these five different videos. And when he posts it, like the top piece like it's like a picture of him doing it with the name on the top of it. Like I'm kind of looking for that. So like obviously his layout's a little bit different. Um, I'm gonna have a white background and I'm gonna be doing more body weight movements. But I kind of want this, like, I don't know what you want me to call it, like an intro. See how he kind of has this intro. Now I'm not looking for any graphics or anything on it. I mean, just the name at the top, maybe a picture of me and then maybe my at Savoy, or we can go simpler. I'm not really trying to make a big deal out of that, but I just want you to know that I want to avoid like this. And on the intro, it should be, something very similar. I like how he has this lined up in fives. One, two, three, four, five. I really like how he has those pieces kind of laid out. It looks really organized. But that's it, Pat. I was just talking to you about what exactly I'm looking for. But everything looked good. About to order the white background now. Thank you.